Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts section, then tap add account, then select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. Then you have to enter your email or phone number here. Then tap next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap next. Next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and for the last thing you have to tap accept here. An account will be added. If you want to remove account, just select it here and then tap remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.